ngadi ni shu tsapshin thomi gyata sumju sodu ha zi dependence
Senator Amy Klobuchar mo ngonzo Minnesota la pheba ji kola mo shingyar ngonzo Amy Klobuchar ji Stafford ke shemba pheji rikshun da history samo shingdo ani maung bala ngonzo la sport chola so Senator Amy Klobuchar mo na ke shola so ani korang colleagues la pheba ke shola
Reciprocal Access to Debate Act of 2018, and that's one of our first asks, something that we urge senators and House of Representative members to advocate for. Additionally, we're talking about the issue of political prisoners in Tibet as well as a human rights violation going on.
The ICT ki kodi nangyo chigi yakpo khalbusna pe cha chubu chau organize ta ani khari khari chigo emeta chigi yomare ondi pe cha chubu chau semba binde mega cha so rana lega cha shara go chu marwa di nicha ondi tholo yakpo